Is BigBear.ai the next Palantir? Let's dig in. BigBear is a company that's quietly gaining traction in the world of artificial intelligence, defense, and data analytics. Just like Palantir, they aim to turn massive amounts of raw data into actionable insights. But while Palantir is already a multi-billion-dollar player with global government contracts, BigBear is still in its early innings. And that's what makes it interesting. So what do they actually do? BigBear focuses on predictive analytics, machine learning, and decision intelligence for defense, healthcare, logistics, and energy. One of their key selling points is helping clients make better decisions in complex environments. Think of military operations, supply chain disruptions, or even financial planning for large institutions. They provide real-time simulations, forecasts, and automated recommendations, all powered by AI. Their AI-powered platform integrates data from multiple sources, processes it using proprietary models, and delivers recommendations through an intuitive interface. Whether it's battlefield logistics, infrastructure readiness, or cyber defense, BigBear enables real-time decision-making. This is crucial in an age where threats evolve in milliseconds. They work closely with the US government, particularly in defense. Their software is already used by the US Army and other agencies to model and simulate operations. In 2023, they landed a $900 million IDIQ contract with the Department of Defense. That's serious credibility. They also support space and intelligence agencies with AI-based mission planning. Their edge: they combine AI modeling, data curation, and intuitive interfaces in one ecosystem. While companies like Palantir focus more on big data infrastructure and integration, BigBear is carving out a niche in real-time, mission-critical decision-making. They also emphasize explainable AI, making their results transparent and actionable for decision-makers. Now, let's talk about their commercial potential. BigBear isn't just focused on defense. They're expanding into commercial verticals like healthcare and logistics, where their tools can predict staffing shortages, optimize supply chains, and model outcomes for large-scale planning. Their partnership with Amazon Web Services in 2023 was a key step in scaling their cloud-based solutions. AWS helps them offer services to companies of all sizes with greater efficiency and security. Financially, BigBear had a rough start as a public company after its SPAC merger. Their shares plummeted, and they struggled with margins and investor confidence. But in 2023 and 2024, they began turning things around with better cash flow management and more strategic partnerships. They've been reducing costs, improving operational efficiency, and focusing on recurring revenue streams. One of their biggest challenges is scale. They're a small-cap stock, trading at a tiny fraction of Palantir's valuation. But that also means they're potentially undervalued, especially if their government relationships deepen and commercial contracts grow. Some analysts see BigBear as a highly asymmetric bet: low downside, high potential upside if the AI sector keeps expanding. Let's put this into perspective. Palantir trades at a $50 billion valuation. BigBear.ai is under $500 million. Both target defense, logistics, and strategic intelligence. BigBear.ai has a major DoD contract and growing tech partnerships. So what's holding them back? Competition is fierce. C3, Anduril, Shield AI, and even traditional defense contractors like Lockheed Martin and Raytheon are developing AI solutions. BigBear needs to stay laser-focused on execution, innovation, and building a solid commercial client base. But they have some advantages too. They're nimble, they're focused, and they're early in a space that's becoming mission-critical. The AI arms race isn't slowing down, and governments are pouring billions into autonomous decision systems, battlefield AI, and smart logistics. If Palantir was the first wave of defense-focused data analytics, BigBear might be the second. Smaller, scrappier, and possibly hungrier. With the AI arms race accelerating and governments doubling down on next-gen tech, BigBear is one of the few public stocks positioned in that sweet spot. So, is BigBear the next Palantir? Not yet, but it's definitely one of the most promising small-cap bets in the AI and defense space. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe for more deep dives into disruptive tech, and check the description for brokers where you can start investing.